Okay, welcome back to Blender. So today we're going to be making a glass. So let's go with S for scale. Let's go edit the top right here. E for extrude, bring this up. S for scale in, E for extrude, S for scale in, and then E for extrude, leave it where it is. S for scale in. And then what we're going to do is go straight down. This will be one of those quirky square glasses. So we can go ahead with that, and then once we're done, let's change this render engine from Eevee to Cycles, and then we will go ahead and change Principal BSDF to Glass BSDF. Turn down the roughness, and then I'm going to add a plane underneath. Now we have this nice little cup. Sorry, I went up with Glassy BSDF then, didn't I? Glass BSDF. Right click Shade Smooth if you want to. Alternatively, you can keep it like this. And that's how you make a square glass. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.